welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today is August 14th, Sunday. We had a little get together yesterday, so I was able to put everything back, watered my garden this morning, did everything I had to do just so this garden tour can be normal. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we moved all the onions from the ground over there, put it here. So I know they're not perfect, but it's the only space we had, and we needed the space for them to cure. Oh my goodness, I remember the word. So they're all curing, you see, ta-da. Hopefully it'll work. And I do have some garlic in there somewhere, so let's hope it works. Let's go back outside. Let's start here with the green stalk. Everything looks good. I have tomatoes growing. Everybody admired the garden yesterday at the party, so that was exciting. I have plenty of sage that I should be harvesting. I'm gonna probably do that, not today, but someday this week, hopefully. Carrots are doing great. So as you guys know, we put carrots in every empty container. The parsley is getting humongous. So in every pocket we put carrots, and it seems like they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Actually the pineapples are doing great. I thought they were gonna die, but let's not jinx it. It's alright, people, we were not talking about you. The malanga is still doing strong. I want to apologize from now because my neighbors are fixing their house, so you might hear some banging. So far here, we filled this thing up with carrots, and I only see one right there. I know. So I'm not sure if it's because Campbell keeps throwing compost in here, or it's just been too hot for the carrots. But it's still early, we still got time, so I'm not gonna stress it. But no carrots. My garlics are not doing so well, so I'm not sure what's going on there. They're not growing as big as the other ones did. But don't forget, we put these in here in the beginning of the summer, so I guess it doesn't have enough time for it to grow, right? So the ones we had here prior, we put from the fall to the summer, and those are the ones that grew a little bit bigger. Here I had, I believe, peppers and nothing. Don't forget, we had our little get together, and Campbell helped me move these containers. So yeah, I don't remember what container had what now, because all the containers were moved. So here's sweet peppers, and we do have, oh, this is pepperonzini. I got a couple of big peppers in here. I give the peppers a little shake. Make sure the flowers get pollinated. I don't know what it is, but something keeps eating my sweet peppers. These were supposed to be pepperonzinis too, but I don't know. These are pepperonzini as well. You can tell the way they grow. It's upwards. These are supposed to be pepperonzini, but hi. Alright, so Once again, sorry we got interrupted, but all of these are sweet peppers, more sweet peppers, more sweet peppers, beans. They're drying out though, and I'm okay with that. We want them to dry out. Seems like they grow better when they dry out, so we're waiting for them to dry out. Alright guys, battery died. Don't remember where I left off. I think I left off with the pepper. Oh, okay. The beans still drying out. The asparagus, I got to put it together with the sticks so it can stop flipping over or flopping over. More tomatoes. Actually, my dollar little tear things are doing great. I like it. I got strawberry flowers, but no strawberry. They're inside too. The beans with the tomatoes are doing great, except the tomatoes are like, you know, they need some loving care. Some of them are drying out already, but it gave me enough fruit. Like that one gave me enough fruit. This one that cut here, that is like right here dried out, that one gave me plenty of fruit. So, you know, as they go. Here's the sweet potatoes. This I had put, I think, more peppers and nothing is growing. This one has a tomato and it looked like a potato, but not sure how, because I did take all the potatoes out. And this was more peppers. My honeysuckle is growing. I hope it makes it to Tennessee because I think it's a bush. So having it in this little container, I think, is not ideal. You see all the flowers? That's what you make your honey jam with. More tomatoes here. More tomatoes there. Tomatoes with the beans. The beans are here. I got tomatoes and beans. See, so the beans are starting to pop up. I guess because it's the weather for it. This is the other potato that I thought it was time to harvest it, but apparently it's doing good. Check out the sweet potato flower. That means I got me some sweet potatoes. Can't wait. So I got the sweet potato with beans and tomatoes. And this one has been doing great. Actually, the guy came back, and this one has onion in here, but I haven't been able to take out the onion because it's in a very inopportune place. Peppers, tomato, peppers, berries, the lemon tree is doing great. My bean is bigger than my tomato plant. These are really cool. They're called teardrop. Lemon. trees. More teardrop tomatoes. I'm not eating these cabbages. I'm just letting the bugs eat it up. The corn not too bad, but no corn yet. I think I got like 3 Roman tomatoes. This plant got eaten by a slug. I caught it right on time, you see. So thank God I caught it on time. This is full of beans. Now we're here in the front. My watermelon is getting bigger. We have a bet going on. People think I'm not gonna get a watermelon. I think I'm gonna get at least 1 watermelon. Tomatoes are growing. That one got dug out by something. Makes me very upset. Tomatoes. Here's my, I believe, acorn squash, and I think it should be grabbing in the other direction. I don't know why is it doing it. So let's see how it goes. And then I have more tomatoes. So I got a tomato there. That's another acorn squash. It's coming back to life, but I don't know how good it's gonna do. So I guess we'll see. Ants galore. Seriously. I just realized I did not close this video. Thank you for watching. God bless. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about this quick tour, but yesterday was a long day. This week has been a long week. I hope you understand. And I will check you guys on a normal schedule next week. Bye, guys. Welcome back, guys. So it is August 14th. Sunday evening, not evening, it's about 2 o'clock or so, but we had our party yesterday, so I put everything back together just so I can do this garden tour. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today, August 14th, it's about 2 o'clock. I was able to put everything back after this crazy party we had. So let's get started on this garden tour. If you like watching these kind of videos,